Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
I'm going to relate a robbery I heard of from the victim because I want all of us to be aware. So I was speaking to the person last night and I heard of it, so I asked the gentleman to tell me what happened. He said about 2 or 3 weeks ago he drove into Twin Gates Plaza and he parked probably in the second or third row parking. He parked and he prepare himself to come out, and a gentleman walk come to inside him vehicle to tell him that him left tire, something wrong with him left tire. So I'm looking at the gentleman, look clean shaven and good enough, but the man was here in a black pants and white shirt, just like all the most of the security man them in the compound look. So after him probably settle himself or whatever and prepare himself to come out, to come and look on the tire. And him we are going around to look on the tire now, a woman come to join to tell him about him tire same way. But in telling him about him tire, the woman actually attempted to go inside the vehicle now to start to take up him item. So he must step to her to take up him item, to ask her what she had to take up or whatever. Next thing the man decided to step to him with a gun pointing to him side, lower side, probably might make sure he use a vehicle height for shield. So the man started telling him, say, yo, give away you have it, not bother trying or whatever. So his initial thought was to say that, yeah, I robbed him actually, I robbed him, but the boy actually make him appear as if he was one of the security in the place. So and him kind of but one question the argument, the boy lift up the gun straight up and say, yo, I say, give away you have, I do me no want to do nothing or whatever, you know. So him have to just ease, give them what him have. I said, having cash in hand, him go deal it, I say, I bank to you know. And the man, him watch and all them things there, I must see him phone and everything. So within a flash, the boy and the girl take off him items them off of him. And I move. But they actually appeared as if they might come to tell him about him vehicle. So him just leave it at that and go and report it to the police. And he must share it to them friends. And by some coincidence, the next day, a female who had shared it with came into the same Twin Gates Plaza, and when she park, a woman approached her now. And when she park and already shuffle herself to go come out and go where she go, a woman approached her to tell her say her left headlamp broke. So she never even hesitate, she just leave same time. So there is another avenue now that them approach her people in the plaza. Share it and be careful and be aware.
Viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you an audio of someone explaining about something that he said someone had told him that had happened at the Twin Gates Plaza, right? And based on what I've just heard this person said in the audio, it sounds like a robbery, right? And this person went on to try and let everyone know out there that they should be careful. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, it don't matter where you are or where you're from, I would like to say to each and everyone out there, be careful. You see me? Because you may never know. Alright? Yeah. So this is where me leave it here, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?